What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It has been a while since I've made a video. The last one I made, I was in Quebec City, Canada, and that has been a while ago, but I wanted to make a quick video over my flag display, which I just finished. So here it is. And each flag represents a country I have visited. So if it's flying, that means I've been there. That's what I'm going for with this. And these aren't in any particular order. It's just how I put them up. I arranged them all right here, and then I just kind of put them all up, and so they're not in like the order I visited them or anything like that. So start down here at the end. We have France, Iceland, Hungary, Switzerland, Sweden, United States, Poland, Norway, Slovakia, Canada, Czech Republic, Romania, Chile, and the Netherlands. And then I have my picture frames here, and the flag behind the picture frame represents the country the picture was taken in. So Denmark, Germany, Egypt, United Kingdom, Finland, and Ireland. And that would make all 20 of the countries I have been to. And I think it turned out really well. Love this map. I've had this map for a while. It's made by a company called Enjoy the Wood, and it's just a fantastic map. If you ever want one like this, go to that website, Enjoy the Wood. It's a really fantastic map. But anyway, I think it turned out really well, and I have all the other country flags here. Obviously, I haven't been to any of these countries, but I have all of them. That way, when I visit more countries or visit a new country, when I get back, I can start flying their flag, and I can add them to the rest of them here. Although I'm probably going to run out of space because I'm basically out of space now. But I'll deal with that when I get to it. But anyway, we got the African bundle here. So South Africa, Chad, which, you know, the funny thing about Chad is Chad and Romania's flags are nearly identical. You can see that there. But anyway, so that's the African bundle. See all the other various African nations. This is, of course, the European bundle. So you have Estonia, Austria, Latvia, Lithuania, so all the Baltics plus Austria, Belgium, Luxembourg, and you just have all the other various European nations, Albania, Ukraine, see Portugal, and then, so this bundle is North America, South America, and Oceania. So Mexico, Jamaica, and then all the other flags of those three continents are all in this bundle. This is the Asian, or I guess these are both the Asian bundles. That's how I'm separated. So China, Nepal, Bangladesh, Afghanistan. This one I would like to visit someday, but this one will probably never be flown. Same with Iran. I'd like to visit, but it's difficult for Americans to enter, especially now given the current situation, but even before it was nearly impossible. This one, North Korea, this one will probably never be flown, but I guess you never say never. But anyway, so, and then this will be the rest of them. So Israel, Armenia, Saudi Arabia, Georgia, and then just all the other various Asian nations. Flags of all them. So anyway, I have all the flags. I have the flag of each country here. I also wanted to add, in addition to all the country flags, I have a stand for each one to put them on. One of these for each of them. And I just put them in this box. And then I have a post for each of them. I have all these packs here. And these were in that box, but they got crushed. They were on top, and then I put them on the bottom, not really thinking about it. Put these on top, and it crushed some of them. That's why a couple of these were bent. Like this one has a slight bend in it. I don't know if you can see it very well, but anyway, it is what it is. But they're still, the vast majority of them are still straight. And like I said earlier, I'm sure many of these will never be flown. So I'm probably not going to need all those anyway, or all of these. But I did want to show that this whole bundle or all these flags, all this stuff came together, and for all of it, it was 107 US dollars. So not a bad deal. I mean, these will last me for life, so I think that was a bad deal, and they look nice. I love how the Canada one looks. Canada just has a great flag in general, but I love how it looks. Norway always looks great. Slovakia, they all look great. Of course, Sweden's always stands out with the blue and yellow. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and end things here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I plan to have more videos coming out very soon.